with a little. I still gotta punch the hole.
Make it way bigger than that.
No shit.
I was gonna say, well, what the fuck are you putting your keys away for? Oh, you use your finger?
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Cody loves finger in the bush. Oh my god. Oh, get all that out of there.
Bush
I
light.
cut my lip too.
On the bush?
You guys are dicks.
How big a hole are you gonna make that thing? Fucking A. Just rip the whole side off.
Yeah.
Cut the shit in half.
You can't even see that, dude.
I cut my finger. I just saw blood.
Oh, you did cut your finger.
So interested. This sharp aluminum is fucking me up.
Dude, it's gonna cut my mouth for sure.
No,
You're
it
an
won't,
idiot.
dude. Push it down. It's not gonna
How the
cut.
fuck did you cut yourself?
Why do you have it folded up? Fold it in. What the fuck?
Cause I spilt it, fucker.
Dude, you're already at like a minute and a half. You got killed.
Yeah, you got killed.
Are you
This is
videotaping?
this is 4 seconds, dude. Let's go.
You videotaping me?
No. It's timing, so I'll be able to tell.
Alright. Let me know when.
When? Go. I said when. Dude.
Alright.
Nice. I don't know. I wasn't watching. I'm gonna have to watch it later.
You watch it? No.
Every damn day, just do it.